Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Duetto espresso machine and show you the hot water quick. There's a slight leak every once in a while from it, and so we just replaced this little gasket in here inside the steam wand, and then we also adjusted this expansion valve. The expansion valve was leaking pretty heavily whenever we're pouring a shot. And this is the expansion valve right here. And we just tightened it down until it stopped leaking. It doesn't. The expansion valve on this machine doesn't control the pump pressure. So you just tighten it down until it stops leaking. And then let's pull a shot. Or we have a blind disc in there right now. I'm just gonna show, that's interesting. So I see we still have a slight drip here. We'd have to, so it looks like there must be some sort of imperfection with the valve, on the inside the valve, because maybe it's like some corrosion or something. I tried to get all the corrosion off. But maybe the metal's worn away a little bit, so that's what's causing it. So the whole valve would have to be replaced to resolve this issue. But you can see that it's not leaking from underneath the machine. And so the expansion valve is fine now. And then I'll show that there's no delay. Customer was concerned that there was a delay at the group head when pulling the lever. You can see there's no delay, it starts up right away. I'm not sure if I showed this too, but you can see that there's 10 bar pressure, which is what you want because the pressure will go a little bit down when you're pulling a shot. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Let's just test the steam quick. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.